So hello YouTube. From last around a month I am trying to search for the perfect pressure washer, and this market is cluttered with lots of unorganized players like the Chinese pressure washers. So there is a YouTube channel named Hari Mechanical. He is a very honest guy, and his job is to repair such kind of pressure washers. So I connected with him, and he recommended me this one. This is a branded Ingco company's pressure washer, and the best competitor to this one I would say is MX by Shakti Technologies, but that is also Chinese rebranded stuff, and I wanted something which is branded. I always buy branded products, as you know. So I went with this one. This is a 1500 watts. Everything is real because this is like a Bosch. Everything is branded. Okay. This is 1500 watts high pressure pressure washer, induction type, copper motor. You can see 100% copper wire motor, and metal pump, high quality. Okay. They have written it on the box itself, and it's not a joke. You cannot prove these guys wrong. These are 100% ethical business guys. Okay. So here you can see all the details. So 1500 watts is the real wattage. Okay, it works on 240 volt AC. Okay, video quality is good. I was just checking that. 2850 RPM is the RPM of motor. 2850. Okay. So the maximum pressure is 100 bar real. So I saw one video of comparison of pressure bars, and there that guy proved that MX D7, which is a Shakti pump, and it has the real pressure of 55 bars, and it is the best pump, okay, in that category. And this is little costlier than that, but this is branded. That's why I brought this one, and its real pressure is 100 bars. So you can blindly trust this is the best pressure washer under 10k. Okay. So flow rate is 6.7 per minute, 6.7 liters per minute, and this has auto stop system. That means when you leave the plunger, it will stop. Now let me show you what you get inside the box. So you can see you will get the pressure gun, which is of extremely high quality. You will get the inlet pipe, not like the traditional inlet pipe, the transparent inlet cheap pipe you will see. It is the very high quality. I will show you now in some time. Okay. So there is a hose pipe of extremely high quality. The hose pipe is capable of taking the pressure up to 220 bar, I believe. The connector for the inlet pipe, the filter for the inlet pipe, the filter for the pressure washer itself. It connects over here. This caterpillar. It doesn't have the foam cannon, and I tried to buy the foam cannon. It was not available because its hose pipe is 14 mm. Generally hose pipe of other Chinese machines is around 10 mm. So foam cannon is challenge for me. If you have any foam cannon in your wish list, please let me know. Net weight is 13 kgs guys, and gross weight is 13.5 kgs. It's very heavy machine. Now coming to this side. So name of importer is it's imported somewhere in Thane, Maharashtra, and I brought it offline from Pune. MRP is 16,648 rupees, and I got it for 9,000 rupees offline market. I brought it offline because I wanted to test the product before I buy it. Now let's unbox it real quick. Now something like this you will get the packaging. Now this is a suction pipe. So this is not like a traditional suction pipe you see with the Chinese machine. This is very high quality. extremely good quality, I would say. Okay, this is a filter to be attached to the suction pipe like this. Filter is also of very high quality. Okay, like this you are supposed to use this filter. You can directly connect it to the tap water as well, but I would recommend you to use the filter. And this part will go inside. Let me show you. So this is a user manual. Let me open the user manual for you. If you want to read the details, please pause the video. These are some safety instructions. I will directly go to the specifications because that is the important part. Okay, see the specifications. This is the model. Now let me see if something useful is there. No, that's all. Okay, this is the filter which will connect to inlet of your pump. This will be there permanently. You can see there is filter inside, and then you will clip on your pipe to it. And this is a quick release clip on which will go to your suction pipe, and there is also a needle to clean your hose. Let me put everything inside. It's pretty expensive pump, but when I look at the quality, being engineer, I understand it's worth it. People these days just focus on the prices, and that's why they come up with the cheap stuff. Look at the accessories. Each and every part is extremely heavy duty. Now look at this. This is I believe 8 meters hose pipe. The length is not written, but I read it somewhere. It's 8 meter in length. So this is extremely heavy, guys. Check this out. Each and every part is built like a tank. Now read over here. 260 bar pressure it can withstand, this hose pipe. 260 bars. Original Ingco. This is also very heavy, guys. So these were our accessories. Now this is the last part. This is the pressure gun with the lock-in feature. This is also branded. Maximum pressure 220 bars. And I wanted something which is plug and play. Now you can see it has the threads over here. So here are the threads. So if I want to buy the pressure cannon, I will have to unwind it all the time, which I definitely do not like. Here are some specifications. This is how the pressure washer works. Extremely beautiful. I'm not sure if this is pure brass or just coated, but the build quality is any day better than the Chinese ones. Now let me open the machine. It's very heavy. It's really very heavy. Nothing else inside the box. So this is the only machine which has the safety switch for overload. No other machine has it, and other machines will just blow off some smoke and it will die, but this machine will safeguard itself because of this safety valve. 1500 watt, all the same specifications are written over here. Let me remove this. This kind of 5 ampere plug is there. I don't understand why they don't provide the earthing. So here is outlet hose pipe. At the bottom you can see it's extremely heavy, guys. It's a tough task to hold. You can see the serial number, everything is mentioned. On this side it has the branding on a switch. Here is the gauge. Let me read the pressure. MPa kg per centimeter square. The unit of measurement of pressure gauge is different, so I cannot convert it into the bar. I will convert it later and I will explain the details. So this was quick unboxing. Now we will shoot the testing video of this pump. Let me show you the close view before we do that. So what we have received is the actual pump. It's very heavy, guys. I'm tired now. The high quality nozzle gun, the suction pipe, the discharge hose pipe, the suction pipe connector, the suction pipe filter. That's all. No pressure cannon. This is a disadvantage, no pressure cannon and no earthing to the plug. These two are the negative points, I would say. Otherwise everything is so damn perfect. You can see it's a patented technology. You won't find such a close view on YouTube. There are many videos, but no one has shown the close view of this machine. And I don't understand why people are buying Chinese machines to save a small amount of money if you are getting such a branded clean stuff, like spending little bit more. This will last for a long time and this is easily repairable. The Chinese machines are use and throw. Okay, so let's quickly test it out. Stay tuned. So I washed it. The pressure is good, but it's combination of water and air, not a direct water. You can see even after washing there is some dust. So I will have to buy the foam cannon anyhow if I want to wash the car or any equipment. Now let me show you the pressure. You can see it's completely closed. That means it's on lowest point. It's like this. इकडे का कॅमेरा पकड ना, पकड फक्त इकडे धरा. काय करायचं, नुसतं पकड. बघा आपण फवारा. तुमचं बोट येत असेल कॅमेरावर नाही येत. पुढे हा थांब बघू गाडीवर बसते. That is the wavelength of water on full speed. I'm getting pushed back. It has good pressure. Okay. करायची आंघोळ करायची तुला येतो ना बंद करा पाणी so I used it around 15 minutes. I'm pretty happy with the performance, but the long throw of the machine is not as per my expectation. I wanted 20 feet throw. Hopefully this machine will do the good job. Let me test the pressure, if the pressure gauge is working. Start the motor. As soon as I start it, it will start motor automatically, which is good feature. And it automatically shuts off. So this was my review on this 1500 watt pressure washer. Thanks for watching. Live loud.